Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing first look of a new pair of earphones or earbuds. This video will be about the Marshall Minor 4. This model was released in June 2024. I looked around to get another pair of earphones that are semi-in-ear. So basically you have two different versions of the earbuds. One is completely in-ear, which has those silicone rubber tips, and one is that is semi-in-ear, which is not completely enclosed construction, so no ANC. Basically, this is this version. If you would like to have something from Marshall with ANC and an in-ear construction, then they have another model. Let me check the name. They are called Motif 2 ANC. Okay, so let's talk about this model here. So the basic pricing, the MSRP is, let me check, is $159.99. Usually these go for around $99.99 US. I would suggest if you like this model, wait for a sale or pick it up on a sale. This is by now 2-year-old model, so it should be much less expensive than those pricings they are advertising on the website. Mine I got for the normal price was 69.90 euros, but I got it for around 57 or so. So definitely at that price point, this is a good product to get. Okay, so the unboxing will be done by the Spyderco Baby Goddard. This was a sprint run from 2009, if my informations are correct. It's a beautiful piece of Spyderco history, made in Sekishichi, Japan, with this nice linen brown micarta scales. So if you are interested in more knife content, then check out my other videos. Okay, I must say that the packaging is really nice. It's a really nice sturdy cardboard box, heavy duty. We are getting some informations on the box. So also some technical specs. I will be sharing that in a moment. So really nice box here. Also the packaging has nice textured paper here. It's really nicely packaged and secure. So here is the accessories. So we are getting also a nice cable. As you can see, nice texture here. This is the first time in many years I'm getting some nice textured USB-C cable. Really appreciate that. Not that super long, but let me check if there is something else. Probably not. We have also a manual here. So Minor 4 true wireless. Yes, these are true wireless earbuds. Some information, and I really appreciate that as far as quality construction goes, they will give you also a pairing button, so you have not to be guessing what to press on these to connect them to your device. Okay, some informations about in different languages. Nice to have. So now let's talk about the piece here. So the connection method, so they're using Bluetooth 5.3 and they have their own wireless protocol for them to pair them with each other. It is called Bluetooth Audio Ready. Now the blue is, yeah. So yeah, they say that it is a future-proof technology that delivers higher audio quality while ensuring streamlining range and providing better audio sync. Okay. The construction of the box itself is made out of plastic. They claim that the construction is 90% plastic, and out of them is 42 of the old components is 42 is that plastic. So they are doing also something for the environment. The plastic used was from old devices like wash machines, CDs, and other appliances. So the playtime, the playtime, they have it at 7 hours per bud, and plus 30 hours with the case, so you are getting 37 hours. As far as the specifications of the drivers, we have a dynamic driver 12mm size. Frequency is from 20 to 20,000 hertz. Connectivity is audio, Bluetooth audio already, and the range is 10 meters or 30 feet. Controls, they are touch sensitive on the bud itself, and we have no ANC. The weight of the buds is 7.39 grams or 0.26 ounces. Water resistance, it has a rating of IPX4. These are designed in Sweden and made in China. So now let's try to connect them. So basically the manual says I have to only open the case, push the button. Let's check my phone here. Okay. And they are already yeah. They are already popping up. I have pre-installed the application, which is Marshall Bluetooth, but they say you don't have to have the application with it. Okay, and now they are set up. So really nicely set up, just set up, and the audio is, let me just skip this. Okay, so customize your EQ, so basically you can better preservation and so on. So they also say you have wireless charging, and of course there is a new firmware update, so I have to update them. Let's start the update here, and I will pause the video and we'll be going back when the update is complete. Okay, so it took like 4 minutes to update, and let me check. Yeah, everything is displaying correctly. So we have 90% in the charging and 70. They also have something like a battery preservation option here that I read about it, that you can basically turn on the longevity on your battery, so you can set the level of charging you would like to have on your earbuds to prolong the life, not to have it always charged back to 100%. So if that is something it is interesting for you, that is good to have. Other options here are touch controls. Of course, you can touch control, set your touch controls and interaction sounds, and of course the equalizer is there. So really nice app here, fairly standard with the more higher end audio devices. So now let's look on these two. So this is inside here. I also must say that I really like this texturing on the case. So basically, the majority of cases, like for example, here's my Galaxy. These are the Galaxy Buds FE. This is a old knockoff Apple AirPod case. The new CMT by Nothing Buds 2 Plus. But all of the cases have the similar basically style, that they are smooth. So and of course you can buy different cases for these protection cases and so on, but I'm really happy that with this one you are getting basically complete package. Yes, it is made with plastic, but the hinges has really nice quality, nice closure. It will stay open here and then it will close. So nice. So if you are an AirPod user, so these are the older semi-ear versions. So just let me show you that the inspiration is a little bit taken from this stem style of design. But yes, these are completely smooth, like the majority of these knockoffs, and also the original one. What is really nice with this one here, that has a nice knurling, and you can nicely grab it. Okay, so now yeah, I have to say that yes, if you like to choose your next good quality earbuds for a good price, but you, for example, you are commuting on public transport, or you are in louder environments or outside, I will probably not suggest to getting these, just because they are, like I mentioned, semi-in-ear, so they will not completely enclose the sounds from outside, so the outside sound can bleed through. And of course there is no ANC, so if you like to enjoy your, I don't say, movies, podcasts, music, then probably you should get something that is basically has an in-ear construction, like something like this. Basically you have those silicone tips that will completely enclose the outside environment, and of course these have ANC, so they will filter out any kind of noises and so on. Okay, so now I will pause the video once again. I will go test them out, different kinds of musics, and walk a little bit around here in my apartment, and then I will going back to share my opinions, how good they or how bad they sound. Okay, so I did listen to the music, and I must say they sound really nice. At around 75% of volume, there's still lots more to go up. It was sufficient for me. I did test it out. I did put a loud noise, street sounds before me, and I must say I did hear the cars and the street, but not that much. So maybe I got lucky that the earbuds fitted nicely around my ear. But basically this is everything what makes the seal. So if you have smaller or larger ear, then maybe they will not fit. This is basically the downside of the semi-ear construction. So therefore, lots of companies are making more the in-ear construction, where you can choose different kinds of tips. Anyway, podcasts, so voice, music, also bass sound definitely decent, not as great as if you would have a complete enclosed construction, but really good. So I can definitely recommend these. Unfortunately, as far as the controls goes, you cannot choose or replace the actions for some reason. You have three options: standard, mini, or off, and basically one tap will pause. So, and they are touch sensitive area and around here, and they are really touch sensitive. So you, every time you touch them, you will pause your music. Two taps forward, three taps song or back the music you are hearing. There is also custom option, and in these custom options you can, let me show you, you can choose either volume up or volume down, and that is everything you can select from, or you can turn them completely off if you are bothered by that. When you are touching it, it will stop. So my previous model that I would recommend at the price point that is around $50 were the JBL Wave 300. Now they are called, this is the older model of course, now they are called JBL Wave Flex. Should be still around 50, and they were one of my go-to working semi in-ear construction headphones. Small case, here's the comparisons. So I will using basically, I will use these at an office environment, so I don't need any kind of ANC or complete noise reduction, because I have to hear when people are talking to me and when they need something. So this is a really nice option for that scenario if you need one. So I can definitely recommend the Marshall Minor 4. Hopefully there will be new updates to the firmware, and maybe the only thing I would change is that is a possibility to change the touch sensitive buttons. But with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon.